Hey Kamal, I just wanted to go over this exam 3, click through some of these and try to explain it. I thought maybe this would be a quicker way to just talk about some of these questions. So on this one, on any of these questions, actually it's really important to pay attention to the blue directions because that will tell you how to answer the question or what it's looking for. So in this case, it's looking for a fraction. So 1/18 would have been the correct answer, and you put the decimal equivalent. So technically that's right, but it is asking for the fraction. So I'll give you some points back for that. Question 4. I had gone through some of these previously, so I think I'd given you some points back on this one. You were real close on this one, yeah, so I did give you points, partial points back. But the 3/12s, always be sure your fractions are reduced. So 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 12 4 times, so you should have had 1 1/4. Again, here we're looking for integer, fraction, proper fraction, or mixed numbers. So we don't want any decimals. And then here, yeah, that wasn't the problem, but I'm not sure where you went wrong on this exactly. If you do have your work for this one, you can always send it to me and I'll look it over and try to give you partial points back. Alright, let's see this one. You were missing the minus 8x squared. So again, if you have your work on this one, you could send it to me, but you want to take this negative. This is like a -1 that's being multiplied by throughout this parenthesis. So you would take negative and multiply it by 8x squared. So you'd have 2x minus 8x squared. And then same thing, this -1 is also going to get multiplied by the positive 4x, which would make it a minus 4x. The 2x and the minus 4x are like terms, and that's where this minus 2x comes from. But then the minus 8x squared is still there. It doesn't have any like terms to be combined with, but you'd still want to write it. Let's see this one. This one looks like you're really close, so send me any work you have for it. I'm not exactly sure. The correct answer is 23, you put 22. Here you answered -94, and the correct answer is +28. One thing I'm guessing on this one that you might have done, a common misconception on these, is to do the subtraction first, maybe, and then the addition. Addition and subtraction is all you have in this question, and you just want to complete that from left to right, like you're reading a book. So you could treat this as multiplication, the signs right here, and you could rewrite this as 42 minus 16 plus 12 minus 10. But then at that point, you would want to go ahead and, actually I forgot I have. So we could do 42 minus 16 plus 12 minus 10 if we simplify the signs there a little bit. But then we would just want to go from left to right. So we would do 42 minus 16, take that answer, add 12 to that, take that answer, subtract 10. So sometimes when you use, if you're using Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally, students either do the addition first, typically just because it comes first in Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally, but addition and subtraction are all on the same level, so you want to do them left to right. This one here looks like you just got a sign wrong. Here there's multiplication, so this would be negative times negative, which is positive. Positive divided by negative is a negative again. So I did give some points back on that one. This one again, you want to be sure to do a fraction. Or an integer. Integer is just positive, negative, but whole numbers. So the 0.16 as a decimal is what it's saying was incorrect here. Let's see, 1/6 is the same as 0.16. Technically, you should have rounded to 0.17, but I will give you some points back for that. And then here, you have the DG cubed correct. Negative 15 divided by negative 3 would give you the positive 5. So I will give you half points back because you got the variables right. Okay, let me know if that helps or if you have any more questions.